Yes friends, now we have reached the topic of text transform utility classes. With Tailwind CSS, you can easily control text casing. When you use uppercase, it transforms all letters to uppercase. When you use lowercase, it changes all letters to lowercase. And when you use capitalize, it makes the first letter of each word uppercase. Okay, let's test it. I come here. I want to convert to do uppercase, for example. I say uppercase. You see, it becomes uppercase letters. So let's change it. I say lowercase, lowercase. All letters becomes lowercase. If I use capitalize, capitalize, only the first letter of each word becomes capitalized. Let's check it as you see. So this gives you full control over the appearance of your text in a very simple way. See you in the next lesson.